Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Elsa coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and we're going to do a quick update on where we are, what we've done, and where we're going with the Villains Journal. So let's take a look at what we've done real quick, and then we'll take a look at where we are and where we're going. So we made the book. We have dressed it all up, put some book corners on it. We added in a couple of signatures. I did leave the center open, and that's because I've got something else that's going to be going in there. And we made a tassel, just kind of a weird tassel that brings in the colors, of the cover. And so we've got that much done. Then in Alive today, we did a couple of things. One, we cut out some large journaling cards, rounded the corners and inked those. We cut out some smaller ones, which we are going to have to back. These are from the Dark Fairy Tale pad, because I think this is perfect for, the theme. So I pulled this pad to use, and that's where these cards came from. And the other thing that we did this morning in the live is we made some paper clips. So we've got this one here that's like a little black bow, and it's got a little crystal skull in the middle. And then this one here, which I painted with some red to make the flower look like it had some blood on it, and a little spider. And then we have this one, which is like a red bow with a spider on that one, and then a black rose here with just a ribbon, which I think fits kind of the theme that we're going with, and we're sticking with these colors. Then I went to the printer today, and I picked up my print order, and I got a few copies of it because I am the world's worst fussy cutter. But I then fussy cut all the pieces out that we want to use, and so we have all of the classic villains here and a couple of the newer ones. Yzma and Jafar is in here. My favorite. We have like the Evil Queen, and you can't have Ursula without the eel, so we've got a couple of those as well. These haven't been inked yet. And then I've got some just like face shots, and I have a nice group shot, and of course whatever his name is, I forget. But we cut all those. We all know how much I love to fussy cut, almost as much as I like clusters. And I also ordered some stickers to be used in here, and so we have Maleficent, and we have one of the group, and then kind of a breakdown of the villains, and then we have some portraits that have been done, and a couple of more villains, and then the Evil Queen, and we've got her horns, and Ursula, some more of those portraits, and a dragon. That's a good one of Ursula with her Mickey Mouse ears on. And so we're going to be using some of these as well. And the next step is going to be to start cutting some pockets and things. So we're going to get started on that probably when I go live again, which will be, I believe, Saturday. So we're making progress on this one, guys. But I did want to keep you guys kind of updated on where we are in the process and what we've gotten accomplished. So I'm going to get all of these pieces inked up and get them all ready to go, and then we'll be ready Sunday morning to put them all together. Yeah, Sunday. We'll do it on Sunday. All right, so until I see you then, if you're new here and you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have one giant crafting community. Until I see you the next time, stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.